Okay, so I just pulled the sticker off. There's this. I erased the kind of top part. It was wrapped around here. I'm gonna come in like this, and this will be the area that I do. Cut off that area, about that. So if you look on this side, about the same thing on each side, just like that. Maybe I'll come a little bit wider. I'm gonna do that whole area right here. So let's get started. I'm gonna wipe this off with a heel real quick just to make sure I'm good. Carbon, and let's do it. Start off back here. This whole back area. It's all about stability and control. If you could literally poke her and make her bleed, you see there's not one blood spot at all. That's the goal, not one blood. You saw on the first guy that I did, Brooks, he had I got him in the front with, he had a little blood there. And at the bottom, there was more blood because I was going through a lot of hair follicles, even though he's shaved, he's got very dense hair. But with a girl like this, there should be no reason that she bleeds at all. And I'm running this at 3. Remember, I'm up and down. Nothing on the side, no corner angle. Between a 45 and a 90. Ideally 90. Okay, I'm gonna come near her eye for the last of it. Here, maybe you don't, let's like this light. Okay, there you go. Is that better? Good, golden, perfect. I'm gonna look and compare. Looks perfect. Okay, now the top. So the top, what we want to do. All right, let's cut it.